Let's talk about the other two areas behind it that we're watching for development over the next week or so. I know sometimes Floridians are saying, all right, if it's not hitting Florida, what's the next thing that could? And both disturbances have now been designated as invest. That's something new that happened this morning, both 93 and 94L. All that means is that the National Hurricane Center is investigating it. So invest really right on the money for naming there. 90% chance with invest 93L, so it does look likely we'll at least be looking at a tropical depression. And then when it comes to 94L, a little more marginal, but now we jumped just a touch over that coin flip from 50% chance to a 60% chance. So the odds are going up slightly, but it's enough of a change that, you really want to highlight it. As far as the Invest 93L goes, this one's a little bit further out towards the west, or east rather. It's 25 miles per hour with the wind speed so far, looking a little more robust in terms of the thunderstorm development, not impacting any kind of land. But this was the tropical wave we were tracking off the coast of Africa. Dealt with some drier air, was able to emerge victorious, and then once again is still trying to fight off some drier air and is doing a pretty good job at that. Then you jump further west and go to Invest 94L. This one has the better implications of potentially seeing something for the United States. Too soon to call right now. And again, it still is a bit of a toss-up on if it will or will not form, but it already is bringing some less than desirable conditions to portions of the Lesser Antilles. Whether something is tropical or not, disturbed weather is disturbed weather. So rain, potentially some gusty winds ongoing for portions of the Eastern Caribbean. You can kind of see the impacts there. So for Dominica, out towards Martinique, Puerto Rico, potentially going to see some of the impacts here as this thing continues to move west and head west-northwest. That's just an overall radar viewpoint here. Heavy rain at times. Some of these areas are a little more mountainous, and so that can create some flash flood concerns. But, overall, for some of these Caribbean islands, they know how to deal with rain as it comes. For the tropical threat probability model, this takes the Euro, the GFS, the Google AI ensemble lows and tells us what percentage of those lows, is it low or high percentage, develops into a tropical depression. This one has been pretty spot on almost the entire time, but now we're starting to watch a much higher chance as we head out towards portions of Cuba and southeastern Florida.